mentioned in another video that there's a couple of reasons why you might be adding Part B later. We went over if you're coming off of an employer group health plan in another video, but this video is specifically for folks who just delayed Medicare Part B for maybe because you have veterans benefits and have always used the VA, so didn't see any need in having Part B, or maybe you've been on a retiree benefit and were told by your benefits person that you didn't have to go on Medicare because your COBRA or retiree insurance was just like the insurance you had while you were working. Now, while the coverage might be identical from one day of working and one day of being retired, same coverage, the problem is with Medicare that retiree benefits are not considered creditable coverage in the eyes of Medicare. Therefore, if you delay going on Medicare Part B when you're on a retiree benefit, then you're going to have a penalty if you ever decide to add Part B later. I've been helping a client recently who's going through this and realizing that having Medicare Part B is quite important. I've also ran into many different folks who used VA benefits and then down the road wish they would have started Part B. So you can do the Medicare Part B application. Remember, I did this in another video so you can see how to fill this out. There's an online version and a PDF version that you can either print or fill out on your computer. And you're going to want to make sure that you get that form filled out between January 1 and March 31st. And Social Security has to receive that form before March 31st in order for your Medicare Part B to be accepted that year. So Medicare has a general enrollment period every year that is the first quarter of the year, and that's when you can fill out that Medicare Part B application and add that coverage. Please don't hesitate to reach out. This stuff can be really confusing. You might have a lot of questions about your specific situation, and I'm always happy to help.